Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to have overview of updated syllabus of Standard 12th under Maharashtra State Board, particularly for science stream. In my earlier video, I have told you that for all three streams, arts, commerce and science, textbook of information technology subject is combined, but from this year, that is from academic year 2021, the textbook will be different for all three streams. So today we will be having overview of textbook updated syllabus, particularly for science stream. So let's move ahead and check what are the chapters under theory we have into updated syllabus. So the first chapter is advanced web designing. Second chapter is about introduction of SEO, that is search engine optimization. Third chapter is about advanced JavaScript. Fourth chapter is emerging technologies like IoT, cloud computing, AI, and 5G. Fifth chapter is about server-side scripting, that is PHP. And sixth and last chapter is e-commerce and e-governance. So these all six chapters are there for science stream into theory chapters. Let's move ahead and check what are the practicals we need to study in 12th standard. So as I told you earlier also, the practicals are based on skills, so these are skill oriented practical SOP. So the first practical is advanced web designing. Second practical is based on advanced JavaScript. And third practical is based on server side scripting, that is PHP. So all the practicals, the list of practicals also we will see how we need to perform the practical based on all three different topics. So let's move ahead and check about the first chapter, that is advanced web designing. So in this chapter, we will study about the designing of layout of web pages using CSS, to design the website, to design web forms with validation, concept of image map and iframe, that is inline frame. So in this chapter, the aim is to enhance the skill and to create HTML pages using HTML5 flavor and CSS. Second chapter is about introduction to SEO, that is search engine optimization. So in this chapter, we will study about definition of SEO, types of SEO, techniques of SEO, SEO page content, SEO keywords, SEO social bookmarking, and what is SEO and SMO. Let's move ahead for the third chapter, that is advanced JavaScript. In this chapter, we will study about features of JavaScript, what is the difference between client-side scripting and server-side scripting, what are looping structures, what is DOM objects and what are window objects in JavaScript, what are inbuilt objects and what are its properties and methods, and simple JavaScript program to do validations and user interaction. Let's move ahead for chapter number 4. The chapter number 4 is emerging technologies such as IoT, cloud computing, AI and 5G. So let's move ahead in this chapter. In this chapter, we will study about different emerging technologies, basic of Internet of Things, IoT. Once again, IoT is Internet of Things. Basics of cloud computing, introduction to artificial intelligence, that is AI, introduction to 5G. Now let's move ahead for the fifth chapter, server side scripting, that is PHP. So in this chapter, we will study about features of PHP, PHP variables, data types, PHP array, string function and user-defined functions, PHP form handling, PHP connectivity with database server. Now let's move ahead and check about e-commerce and e-governance as your sixth chapter and last chapter. So in this chapter, we will study about e-commerce concept, advantages, what are the disadvantages, and what are different types of e-commerce. Also, e-commerce trade cycle, various payment modes, common forms of e-commerce, electronic data interchange, EDI, e-governance concept, what are the advantages and types, and various security measures. So it completes all 6 chapters, the brief idea of all 6 chapters. Now let's move ahead and check about skill oriented practicals. As we have already discussed that there are 3 different practicals: advanced web designing, advanced JavaScript, server side scripting, PHP. Now let's have a brief idea for this SOPs, that is skill oriented practical. The list of practical I have taken the reference from textbook which is under Maharashtra State Board. So you can observe over here there are SOPs, n number of SOPs for advanced web designing. You can check over here all together there are 7 to 8 SOPs. Moving ahead, you can have a glance of JavaScript. Here you can check SOPs, like there are 7 SOPs under JavaScript. And moving ahead, in server-side scripting, that is PHP, there are 7 SOPs. It means that in each chapter, 7 practicals we are going to perform. So dear friends and students, it was all about your list of practical under science stream. I hope you must have got, you must have, you must have received the brief idea about your syllabus under Maharashtra State Board for particularly science stream. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching it. And if you are yet to subscribe my channel, you can subscribe my channel for updated videos. Thank you so much for watching.